proxy server is a system or tool which serves to bridge between the user client and the web server when accessing the internet. As a third party, a proxy functions to hide the user's identity, and also becomes a gateway that limits access to the use of local and external networks when accessing the internet using one path. Almost similar to a firewall system, a proxy can also function as a filter for information obtained through the internet. By using a proxy, we can save time and bandwidth. Temporary data from internet activity will be stored by the proxy system. If at any time we need it, the proxy will reload some of the available data. To use a proxy through a PC, the easiest way is to use the Firefox browser. First, go to the Settings section. In General Settings, scroll down. In the Network Settings section, click Settings, then select Manual Proxy Configuration. Type the proxy IP and port. At this time, some websites usually use HTTPS for security systems. Then check the Also Use This Proxy for HTTPS section. And then, select OK. If the proxy uses a username and password, the first time you connect to the internet, the authentication table will appear. Type in the username and password provided by the proxy provider. After that, select Sign In. And now that the proxy is active, the current IP address has changed according to the IP of the proxy I'm using. If you want to use a proxy via a smartphone using cellular data, go to Mobile Data Settings. Then go to Network Settings. On the SIM card that has internet data, select Access Point Names. Here I will edit the existing APN only. After that, select the proxy section. Type the proxy IP. And then, type the port of the proxy too. For username and password, type it when you want to start the connection. And now the proxy is connected. If you want to use a proxy using a Wi-Fi network, first, select Wi-Fi Settings section. In the Advanced Options section, select Proxy. Choose Manual Proxy Setup. For the next step, it is almost the same as using a data network. That's the function and how to use proxy via PC or smartphone. Thanks for watching.